Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a free WordPress website and you will get a free subdomain. So you can also use AI website builder to create your website. You can go and type infinity free, then here you can see this one is the website, and you can easily use premium web hosting features free of cost. So you can easily create your account by clicking on sign up with Google, and now you can select one of the email account. So let me select this one, scroll down and click on continue button, and now here you can create a free account. Scroll down and here you can see you will get a free package, so you can use 5 GB space free of cost, and you will get a free cPanel so that you can easily upload your website files, and you can install different premium themes and plugins. And now here you can add your website name. For example, let me type here enable website design, then you can check the availability. You can also use custom domain, and for that you can pay $10 to $12 per year. And here let me add account label, then scroll down, here you can add password, then scroll down and here you can approve this one, click on create a free account, and now it will take 2 to 3 minutes so that your account will be created and you will get some details in your email account. So let me go and click on Gmail, and now here you can see account is activated. Now we need to install WordPress. You can install WordPress from the control panel, as well as you can also go script installer. You can install WordPress as well as here you can see different other CMS platforms. So let me select this one, click on install button. Here you can select your website for which you want to install WordPress. Then here you can add username and password. Then you need to add your email, and here you can add website name, then add some tagline. Scroll down, here you can select the website language, then click on install button, and now within few seconds WordPress will be installed and you will be able to see your website on the front side. Okay, now let's go and visit the website. So this one is the default WordPress theme. Now you can log in into your website by adding wp-admin, then press enter, and here you can add username and password, then click on login button, and here you can see now we are logged in into website, and this is called website dashboard. Now you can easily install a free WordPress theme from here. Click on add theme, scroll down, and here you will see different themes. So you can install Hello Elementor as well as this one. This theme is also best. You can preview the theme before installing, and now activate this theme. Now you need to install one of the plugin. You can go in plugin sections. You can also go from here. Let's go with starter templates, and here you can select the website builder. So you can use block editor, Elementor page builder as well as AI website builder. Then click build with AI, and here you can give your website name, for example fashion blog. Then you can select the category. So let me select this one, then click on next button, and again you can type fashion blog. Then you can improve these keywords and you will get complete details. So this one, then click on next button, and here you can add your email, phone number and address. You can also add your social media accounts. Then click on skip step, and here you will get some images. So you need to select few images, and now you can select these different images, and let me scroll down. So after selecting images, you can click on next button, and here you can select the page builder. So let me select here Elementor, and here you will get multiple designs. So you can select one of the design, and if we scroll down, still it is generating more designs. So for example, if you want to go with this design, then you can add here logo, then you can select the font style, and also you can add color scheme. Then click on continue button, and here you can select the website features, then skip and start building. Now you need to create a free zip WP account. Then scroll down, click on the skip and start building, then confirm and proceed. So now website building. So now let's see website on the front side, and here you can see everything is designed perfectly. So all of the images that we selected are added here. If you want to change any type of text and images, you can simply go and click on edit with Elementor. And Elementor is the world popular page builder that lets you create any type of design. And if you want to change your website logo, then you can simply go to theme customizer. So you can find out that option from here. And if you want to change this menu, then you can go to menu page, this one. So in this way, you can easily create a free WordPress website using AI website builder.